Are you worried about hackers stealing YouTube channel? Here's the official Dross video channel. Here is someone impersonating my channel. They're using the same channel name, same channel banner, same picture, same thumbnails, same titles. Later, I'll show you what I did to get the channel removed. In this video, I'll show you the essential tips and tricks to hack-proof your YouTube channel so you can keep your content safe from cyber criminals and not lose your revenue and subscribers. Here are the steps to secure your YouTube account so it stops hackers from stealing your content. Enable two-step verification. Enabling two-step verification helps prevent a hacker from getting into your account, even if they gain access to your login information. You can turn this on by visiting myaccount.google.com/security. Once there, turn on two-step verification, then click Get Started. After you've verified your account info, you'll be able to set up a device like your iPhone to receive a secure notification. If you're using your phone, you need to make sure that you're signed in to your Google account. To send a secure notification to your phone, click Try It Now. After you've tapped Yes on your device, you'll be asked to set up a backup text or phone call option. After you've confirmed this backup option, click Turn On to enable two-step verification. Now your account is protected by two-step verification. Create a strong password. Weak passwords are the greatest threat to your online security. According to Google, 66% of Americans admit using the same password across multiple sites. This makes their accounts very vulnerable in the event of a breach. When you create a strong and complex password, it helps prevent hackers from guessing your login information. Here's some tips to create a strong password. Make it more than 8 characters long and use a combination of lowercase letters, symbols, and numbers. Avoid using personal information or common words and patterns like password 123, your birthday, your address, credit card number, etc. Whatever you do, don't share your password or login information with anyone. I use the password manager called LastPass to manage all my passwords. It also includes a built-in password generator that generates long, randomized passwords that protect you against hacking. I find that the free version is sufficient for my use. Do a security checkup. Go to myaccount.google.com/security checkup. Review the list of security tips that Google provides. If you want to take your security to the next level, you can use a security key that plugs into your computer. For example, the Titan security key from Google is phishing resistant, it contains tamper resistant hardware, and uses multiple form factors to ensure device compatibility. I'll place a link to it in the description below this video. It only costs $30. Another option is the Yubico Security Key, which is only $25 at yubico.com. It'll protect your online accounts against unauthorized access by using two-factor authentication. All you have to do is insert the Yubico key into the USB port to gain access. Avoid suspicious messages or requests. Don't reply to suspicious emails, texts, instant messages, web pages, or phone calls that ask for your personal or financial information. For example, one time I received what looked like an official email from YouTube telling me that I had a copyright strike, but I didn't see any messages in the YouTube studio. It also contained several grammatical errors, so I was suspicious. Don't click on links in emails, messages, web pages, or pop-ups from untrustworthy websites or senders. Official YouTube emails only come from @youtube.com or @google.com. If you received a copyright or community guideline strike on your channel, it'll appear in YouTube Studio on your channel. Report spam or phishing. Phishing is the fraudulent practice of sending emails or other messages purporting to be from reputable companies in order to induce individuals to reveal their personal information, such as passwords and credit card numbers. It's similar to fishing at an ocean or a lake, where you throw your hook out, hoping to hook a fish out of all the fish in the water. To protect yourself against any phishing attacks, never enter your password on any web page except myaccounts.google.com. If you find videos on YouTube that might be spam or phishing, flag them for review by the YouTube team. Don't publicize the email address you use to log into YouTube channel, like nameofchannel@gmail.com. This could give hacker information to potentially hack into YouTube channel if using that email for sponsorships, ads, promotions, etc. For example, a hacker could send you a message saying that there's a problem with your ad revenue and tell you to click on the link in the email. You might think it's an official message, so you log into the email that you use for YouTube account to see if you're getting paid for this month. If you use a different email address than the email you use to log into your YouTube account, then any public inquiries will go to that particular address. You would know immediately that that's a red flag because someone's trying to hack into your account. YouTube's not going to send an email to your public account when they know the email you used to log into your YouTube channel. YouTube knows what your legitimate login email is, but nobody else should know it if you keep it private. Why would Google send an email to your public email address? Therefore, don't use one email address to log into all the accounts on the net. Instead, use a separate Gmail for YouTube account that is private and not shared. Just use it to log into YouTube account and don't share it with anyone, just like you wouldn't share any passwords. Stop impersonators. At the beginning of this video, I showed you a channel that was impersonating my own channel. If you discover that someone's impersonating your channel and stealing all your videos, go to their About page, click on the flag icon that says Report User, click Report User, and select Impersonation. If the videos don't get removed, submit a copyright takedown notice. Check the resource links in the description. If the channel receives 3 strikes, it'll be terminated. That's what I did for the channel that was impersonating my channel, and it was quickly removed by YouTube. I recommend submitting multiple takedown requests if the impersonating channel has stolen multiple videos. Here are my results after submitting the takedown web form for someone impersonating my channel and stealing my videos. It says this video is no longer available because the YouTube account associated with this video has been terminated. So if you've submitted a copyright takedown request because someone has stolen your videos or is impersonating your channel, just be patient because the videos or channel may not be removed immediately. Only use trustworthy third-party apps. I subscribe to add-ons like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and Morning Fame because it helps me research particular keywords for my YouTube videos as well as help manage my channel. These are very popular YouTube tools that integrate with YouTube channel, so it makes it easier to manage it. If you're not careful about using software that has access to YouTube account, you could open yourself up to hackers. If you're going to accept an add-on different to the ones that I talked about, do your research ahead of time. How do you fix a hacked YouTube account? If you notice any changes to YouTube channel that you didn't make, like videos that shouldn't be there, a different profile picture, description, email notifications about strikes or penalties for videos that aren't yours. If you can still log into your Google account, follow the steps that I mentioned previously to secure your account. If you can't sign into your Google account, follow the steps at this address to recover your Gmail or Google account. You'll be asked some questions to confirm your account, and then you'll be able to reset your password when prompted. If you still have trouble, you can reach out to YouTube by sending a tweet to @TeamYouTube. You should receive a reply within a few days. What if your computer has been compromised with malicious malware? I highly recommend downloading a free copy of Malwarebytes. It will remove any malware from your computer. If you're a Windows user, you can download Windows Defender to remove viruses from your computer. Fortunately, Macs don't get hacked as often as Windows machines, so you could switch operating systems. The last thing I recommend is to keep the operating system on your computer and phone updated to the latest version. You also want to keep a backup of all the videos you've uploaded to your YouTube account in case your account gets hacked or it gets terminated. I typically create a backup of all the videos that I've created on an external hard drive. I'll place a link in the description. If you want to know how to download your own YouTube videos in less than 30 seconds, watch the video on the screen right now on how to download your own YouTube videos without installing any software.